Welcome to NASA Space News, your daily premier source for space exploration, innovation, and astronomy news and updates. SpaceX is preparing for the catching mechanism installation. At SpaceX's Starbase orbital launch site, the crew lifted the lifting and catching mechanism carriage and flipped later vertically in preparation for installation on the launch tower. The carriage will hold the Chopstick Arms, which are used to catch landing boosters and stack the vehicles. SpaceX is adding 2 more Crew Dragons to its fleet. SpaceX is about to double the size of its fleet of Crew Dragon spaceships. The company is debuting a new spacecraft for a NASA launch later this month, and is building a 4th human-rated capsule that should be ready for flight early next year, a SpaceX official said Wednesday. Sarah Walker, director of SpaceX's Dragon Mission Management Office, confirmed Wednesday the company is readying a 4th Crew Dragon spacecraft for an inaugural flight next year. SpaceX and NASA officials previously announced that the next NASA crew mission, known as Crew 3, scheduled for liftoff October 30th, will use a new vehicle. NASA reassigns 2 astronauts from Boeing missions to SpaceX Crew flight. NASA has reassigned 2 rookie astronauts from missions on Boeing's troubled Starliner crew capsule to a SpaceX Crew mission to the International Space Station late next year, a move agency officials said will allow the astronauts to gain spaceflight experience for future lunar expeditions. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for all future updates.